let's learn how to convert whole numbers in base 10 to base 16. But before we start, let's recall digits used in representing numbers in the base 16 counting system. Digits used in base 16 counting system. Which we have as digits 0 to 9, then A representing our digits 10, B representing digits 11, C representing digits 12, D representing digits 13, E representing digits 14, and F representing digits 15. Now let's look at examples on how to convert all numbers in base 10 to base 16. Example. Convert 26 base 10 to base 16. To do this, we divide 26 repeatedly by 16 until division is no longer possible. Then we'll take the remainders upwards. Solution. We have, draw a table, 26. Then the base we are converting it to 16. 16 in 26, we have 1 remainder 10. But 10 here is represented as what? A in the base 16 counting system. So we write A, which represents the remainder 10. Divide again by 16. 16 goes in 1. We have 0, remainder 1. Take the remainders upwards. Therefore, our 26 base 10 equals 1 A base 16. And that's how to convert all numbers in base 10 to base 16. Thank you.